Changing the always-on display clock style on the Galaxy S24 lets you personalize your screen with different clock designs and colors, making it both functional and visually appealing. Here's how it's done. First, tap the power key to lock your phone. From the lock screen, tap and hold an empty area. When the preview shows, tap the clock. A pop-up will show at the bottom of the screen, which allows you to choose the clock style you like. Tap on any clock style to preview it. For even more options, scroll down a bit to show additional clock designs, such as analog clocks, large or small clocks, calendar clocks, and multi-city clocks. Once you've chosen a clock style, you can customize the color by tapping on the color palette below. When you're happy with your selection, tap Done. To see your changes, lock your screen. If Always On Display is set to Always Show, tap the screen and you'll see your new clock style. And that's it! You've successfully updated the Always On Display clock style on your Galaxy S24. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.